student, welcome to online classes from Monbashia School. As I'm English teacher, so today I'm going to take English grammar of class 4. Let's start the class. As I am teaching you chapter 6 nouns number, singular number, plural number. I had already taught you the definition and the example also, singular number man, plural number men, and the formation of plurals. The three rule I have already taught you. The first rule is what? By adding s to the singular form. Example, boy, boys. Second rule what says? We'll do the revision very fast. By adding es when the singular noun ends in s, sh, ch, x. Example, glass, glasses, as the last letter is s. So what we have to do? Only we have to add es to it. So it will become the plural, glass, glasses. Now the third rule which I had already taught you in the last class. Last class. To what you want to say? The words ending in f or fe, change the f to v and add es to form their plural. Example, what is the example? Thief, thieves. Why? Because according to the third rule, we have to change f. If the last letter is f, we have to change f to v and add es. As leaf, leaves. Understood? So fourth rule. Today I am going to teach you the fourth rule. So listen carefully. The words ending in y, change the y to ies unless y is preceded by a vowels. First of all, student, tell me how many letters are there in English alphabet? You are big enough to give this answer? Yes, very good. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, in which A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The 5 letters. So rest how many left in 26? 5 are vowels. So 21 will be consonants. In English alphabet, there are vowels and consonant. 5 letters are known as vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels, where the rest other letters are known as consonants. Okay? So what the fourth rule wants to say? Unless y is preceded by ये vowels, means जब तक y से पहले vowels नहीं आता है. तो y से पहले vowels नहीं आता है तो क्या आएगा in English alphabet? If not vowels, then consonants simply. So according to the fourth rule, if a words ending in y and before y a consonant is there, before y a consonant come, then what we'll do? Simply we will change y to ies. You can see this example. According to fourth rule, y should be changed to ies. But when before y a consonant is there. Example, you see city. Spelling of city is y, C-I-T-Y. So before y, what you get? T. T is what? Vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And here is a T. So T will be a consonant. So what we'll do? We'll simply change y to ies. City, cities. Understood? There are more example given here. See, body, bodies. Last letter is y and before y there is a consonant. So what we'll do? Simply change y to ies. Bodies. More you can see here. Story, stories. Why? Because last word is y and before y there is a consonant. So according to the fourth rule, we'll only change y to ies. Story, stories. Country, countries. Okay, I hope so you have understood the fourth rule which I had taught today. Today my homework will be to understand up to taught. First try to understand yourself, as I hope so you have understood, but try to understand and memorize the rule, not the word, examples. So when you get 20 words also from fourth rule, you can easily make singular to plural, right? If you get any word and you have to memorize and understand and memorize only the rule. तो अच्छा y से before y with what, there's a consonant, अच्छा y simply change to ies. Understood? So this way only we can do in English grammar. No need to learn, only understand and learn the form rules. Word not required to learn the words or the examples, only the rules. Understand and learn the rules. Up to taught. Till then, stay home, stay safe.